wanna meet an alien, I wanna call him Adrian, I wanna see the sights of the universe. He'll take me in his spaceship, and nothing will break our friendship. He won't be green like we all thought. He'll watch porn and pay his taxes, have a job that he despises. He'll be just like us on Earth. Well, hello there, team. Not a bad spot, is it? So this is where Stan and I are going to be for the evening. It's all right, it's all right. So I found this on Park for Night. It's literally a 10-minute drive from my house. I think often we forget just how lucky we are to live in the part of the world that we do. Well, it depends where you are, obviously. But yeah, this will do. This will do. We're nicely off the road. There's no restrictions. There's no nothing. It's a very, very quiet road, and we're nicely tucked in. I think we're going to be the only ones here tonight as well. How lovely is that? There was a couple of vans here when I arrived, but they've just left. But yeah, it's quite a nice spot. To be honest with you, I'm absolutely exhausted. I'm going to have a very chill evening. I'm going to wake up early tomorrow. We're going to do a few things. We're going to make some coffee, make a little bacon sandwich. Lovely. And yeah, I'll see you then. Look at this, look, he's caught a fish. Nicely done, buddy, nicely done. Okay then, team. Now I was going to head back early this morning, but you know, it's such a lovely day and I realised I've actually got pretty good service here. So I'm going to stay here and do my work for the day.
Excuse me being here.
It's okay, no worries at all.
It's a welcome bit of shade.
Yeah, no, be my guest.
Do you enjoy the van?
Yeah. So yeah, no, I've just made myself a little tea.
Well, I can smell coffee, can't I?
Yeah, I made a coffee earlier as well, yeah.
There you go, it's
Yeah.
still here.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
There's plenty of wild garlic, if that's your bag.
Wild garlic?
Yeah.
Excellent, yeah.
Have them.
Alright, you too. Cheers, have a good day.
And you.
Alright team, I've got a few bits done. Now I'm going to get packed up and going to head home. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been a pretty chill one. I hope that's acceptable. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
I hope there is intelligence or at least something relevant that we won't torment in the universe. Cause you and I both know that it's not down here on Earth. Is it abduction if you wanna go? Just me, myself and UFO, so don't come looking for me. I think I'm finally free of the round thing that we call home. I'm finally alone. Were we afraid of aliens? Out of the care for Homo sapiens? What harm would they need to do when the world's full of people like you? I just wanna sit on the moon, watch the chaos from afar, listen to some alien